So I took a few moments to organize our roadmap. Look at all the progress we've made. Green all the way out, and then we have what we're working on. So LT Strange is working on the synthesizer, and that's going to help us create like a synth effects pipeline, which will be awesome. We have some new stuff we can do now that we completed the architecture in the last few videos. Right now, I'd like to work on a Tauri GUI MVP, which is a Rust framework for creating user interfaces, and I want to see how it could fit in. Eventually, I could see us rewriting this entire project in Rust, but to start, I think that we could have the Rust GUI, and it could do system calls, os.system or whatever the equivalent is in Rust, to the Python CLI that we've already defined in this project. So that's at least a good start. Alternatively, if there's a way to call Rust code from Python fairly easily and it fits with this framework, which I doubt, we could do that too. But the great thing about Tauri is it uses HTML files, from my understanding. So that's appealing to me. I would love to use HTML, CSS, JavaScript for the user interface just because I'm already so familiar with it. So in this video, we're going to look into that a little bit. First and foremost, though, I think I need to merge in this new architecture, PR, lots of changes, and all the tests are passing, as we know from the past video. So yeah, take a look if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and merge it because I know this is ready to go. Off it goes. Merged. Some quick Googling. Looks like PyO3 lets you call Rust from Python fairly easily. You can do function calls without too much effort, so that's fantastic. But I don't know if that's necessarily compatible with Tauri, which seems to have a project generator. So I'm going to have to get familiar with how the project works before I can think about integrating it into Python. So I'm gonna say this is cool, but I'm gonna leave this for later and concentrate on creating the Tauri app, even if it stands alone within our repository right now, and we'll see where it goes. Okay, I've checked us out a new branch here, and let's start with the quick start guide. Surely it can't be this simple. Let's see. Cargo install create Tauri app. Wow, this is a serious update. Okay, and we can create Tauri app. Project name, okay. Plaintext DAW. Should I say GUI? Probably, right? Let's just stick with plaintext DAW for now. Package manager. Cargo. Vanilla, sure. Okay. Uh-oh. I'm going to move the folder to be Tauri. Now, if we cd Tauri, cargo Tauri dev. Let's see what happens. Oh, I have to install Tauri CLI, okay. Oh, I have to update my Rust compiler. That's not surprising because I haven't done that for a very long time, if ever. All right, let's see what I can do. I just said rust up update. Wow, that's so easy. Okay, now I have rust C 1.67. All right, that's great. I gotta say, this workflow that they have here is fantastic for Rust. I'm really impressed. Ooh, this part sure is taking a while, but hopefully it'll be done soon. Okay, it's done. So I say cargo Tauri dev, please. Okay, more waiting. Okay, I'm being yelled at for not having JavaScript core GTK. Let's see what Google has to say about this. All right, so there's no crate named this, and there's no apt package that I seem to be able to install. I'm drawing a blank. I missed this the first time. It's also looking for WebKit GTK. So is there a way to get that? Oh my, there is an apt get to run. Let's try it. Okay, let's try again. Okay, look at this. It's running, it's working. That's so cool. Cool. Click on the Tauri. Whoa, look at these effects. That's nice. Desktop application here. That's so cool. Okay, what's the source code look like? Before I do anything, I'm going to commit this because this is really cool. Pushed it. We're good to go. What do we have here? Source Tauri seems to be a Rust project. We have a main. Okay, this is cool. We have icons. Okay. We have assets. Index. Welcome to Tauri. All right, I want to make a change. Welcome to plaintext DAW. We have a JavaScript file. That's cool. Invoke greet. Is that a Rust function? Where's greet? Oh, very interesting. A lot to learn here, but this is cool. So I just do Tauri dev. Oh, cargo Tauri dev. Oh yeah, here's the greet function. Nice. It's a Tauri command. This takes a minute to build. Oh no, okay, not too bad. Welcome to plaintext. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Okay. So I think, this is great. There's plenty of customization we can do, but the first thing in my mind is we delete the example text and find a way to invoke plaintext the command from here, even if it's just the help command, like plaintext like dash dash help in the background and get some kind of response from it. So let's look into how to do that. Wow, it even has hot reload. That's cool. Of course, I'm messing everything up by doing it this way. I'm going to delete this. So what I tried to do is set up this system call test Tauri command to do basically nothing. And then in the index, I added a new button and a JavaScript handler to just invoke syscall. So it's calling into Rust and it does nothing. That's cool. Now, how do we log? I would love to do a little log in Rust. I don't know how to do that. I think maybe we can do like, let me see. Okay, reading the guide that they linked to, I did not generate a handler for it, so it wasn't doing anything. Let's see if that fixes it. Nice, it works. Okay, that's super cool. Actually, that might be a good spot to stop for this video, and in the next one we can try calling something in our CLI. So thanks for tuning in. In this one, we generated a Tauri app, which is awesome, and now we can start to build our user interface for our plaintext DAW and call into the code that we've already written in Python, and eventually, maybe, rewrite that Python code in Rust. For now, though, like and subscribe, and if you're interested in helping with this project or just want to learn more or talk to people about it, join our Discord, link in the description. Thanks.